Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Techno Warriors TV. My name is Nick Bartel, Editor-in-Chief for Techno Warriors TV, and before I start this video review of the Klipsch Groove, I want to give a big thank you and shout out to Gio from Klipsch Audio. Thank you so much for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, I know this review and several other reviews have been delayed. Some other videos have been delayed due to the main majority being my health. It's gone to total crap and it's been getting worse. So we're gonna chug through it, and I can't wait to show you the Klipsch Groove Bluetooth speaker video review. So first of all, let's take a look at this speaker. As you can see here on the box, this kind of looks like a amp, like a rock star would use. So it's a portable Bluetooth speaker, and we get some features like IPX4 rated, splash resistant, powerful sound hardware, Bluetooth technology, 8-hour battery, and deep, crisp, and highs. Now, she is $99 from their website, and you might be able to find cheap other places, but it does just take a small little micro USB on the back, 5-volt 1A. For the amplifier output, we have 10 watt, 65 with the frequency response being 65-22 kilohertz plus minus 3 decibels, and enclosure type, a bass reflex with, let me see if I can get that. There we go. Hold on. Bass reflex 5 dual opposing passive radiators, and one aluminum full range high enclosure driver. Now, we do have two passive bass radiators. There are two side firing, and she goes 97 decibels at 0.5 meters. Now, we do have several things, including Bluetooth, more than likely 4 or 5, and 3.5 millimeter aux. 8-hour lithium 7.4 volt 2-cell 2200 milliamp, and we do get an AC power adapter, micro USB charging cable. So whether you just want to use like it kind of like what you see with the Echo Dots. Some of them have a small little wall adapter that goes from USB-C to micro or USB-C, and you can just plug it in through there. So she's got 4.56, 5.51, and 2.65. So we're looking at a pretty sizable small speaker. It's 1.7 pounds, and with the cable and USB charger, 1.9. Okay. So as you can see here, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous speaker. Now, one really cool thing I like about this, as you can see here, this thing is absolutely durable. So when I've been taking this everywhere I need to go, it's been really, really durable. Now, as you can see, we do got standard things like power, Bluetooth mode. We have mode for Bluetooth and auxiliary, and your standard audio buttons for volume and track list. Right here looks like to be an OLED screen. Yeah, it's pretty cool, because when we push this on, okay, you'll get Bluetooth, and that's what it will sound like. So when you pair this up, you can press and hold the Bluetooth button, and in your Bluetooth settings, you'll find Klipsch Groove. Once you pair that, it's really easy. You're ready to go. So all we have to do is go into our Bluetooth settings, and you can see here Klipsch Groove. I can get the camera to focus there. There we go. Yeah, there you guys should see it just a tad bit. All right, so once that's connected, you'll get that, and it's connected. Now, what do we get from the back? Because you can flip like this for really nice audio and everything else. And look at this. It's got a cover So it's nice and steady. Like if you take this to the beach, you don't have to worry about sand getting to that port. You can see down here, we have a micro USB for charging and a standard auxiliary cable port. I would have liked to seen USB Type-C because I believe that's a more durable port around. Now, does this let you play and charge? Yes. That's a big plus. I really love the audio on this thing. It's very crisp for how small it is. 8-hour battery. I would have liked to seen a little better battery life, but let's take a listen of the audio. Now, since you guys noticed how SpaceX launched their Crew Dragon, I will play a short clip of that to show you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a listen to the performance of the Klipsch Audio Groove Bluetooth speaker.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
America has launched. And so rises a new era of American spaceflight, and with it the ambitions of a new generation continuing the dream. 20 seconds into flight, stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Plus 30 seconds into this historic mission.
All right. Wow, that is some amazing performance, ladies and gentlemen. Also, this can really take a beating. Now, other than the port, okay, I have to say this thing is pretty Chuck Norris proof. Now, being $100, okay, you're still getting a really, really good speaker. I would have liked to have seen a micro USB-C, not micro. I don't like that there's a micro USB port in there. Those aren't very durable. And the only thing I don't like about this, I would have to say the battery life I wish could be better, and there needs to be a USB-C port. Other than that, what do I give this? It's durable, loud, it fits well in the pocket, and I would highly recommend it. Overall, this gets a Techno Warriors Editor's Choice, a 9 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching this video review. A big thank you to Jill from Klipsch Audio for sending this out to the studio to review. Thank you guys so much for your patience and support. It is very well appreciated. Thank you so much, Jill, for sending this out. I am very sorry for the major delay. As you know, health comes first before videos. Now, if you like this video, do you know what to do? Strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow, right in the kisser. Thank you guys for all your support and patience. Have a great day.